Projects is a very key piece of the entire AIRShip platform. It's how you manage delivery of data to the other destinations in your company account. So let's take a quick look in. In this case, we have a company that we're calling AIRShip 101, and we have a single project in here, which is basically at the top of the tree. If I drill down in there, we have 2 locations in that project. You remember we had Training 2 and another one called Doug Training. Let's go back to the project list for a sec. Now I want to create a sub-project for this. So I click on the file folders. The first thing you need to do is name your project something. So let's call it Demo 1. And now we need to select locations that are available in your account to add to this project. In this case, let's use Training 2 and save the changes. We'll get a confirmation. Now we have 1 location account in this project. Of course, in order to send things from one to another, you need at least 1 more location. So let's add 1 more. How about Doug Training and save the changes? Okay, so now we have 2 locations set up in this particular project called Demo 1. Now we need to add some users to it to manage the delivery of data. So you click Users for this project, select a user, and we have myself. This is where the role type also comes back into importance. If you're sending or receiving data, you need to select and assign yourself as a participant. So we'll save that change. Now we have 1 user in the account, me, and the role type is a participant. You can also select other people to be involved in this project and have them in what's called observer class. So they don't want to manage the sending or receiving of any data, but they do want to be informed about any transactions associated with this project. So if you add somebody to the project in observer class, they automatically will get all the email notifications for everything going on in this particular project. There's also a third option within a project, and it's assigning a user what we call manager role type. A manager is somebody that's got a little more authority in the system than a participant, not quite as much as a company admin. But what it does is it allows people to be trusted into specific projects to deal with certain things within that project in off hours. So it relieves that nastiness of you always have to have a company admin in contact mode for anything 24 hours a day. You can actually have people that are trained to do certain things in a project and you assign them as a manager. So don't forget, select a user, assign manager status, and save the change. So now we have 3 users in the project, and if we go back to locations for the project, we have 2 locations that can send and receive data.